Hey, this is Cleet over at Asheville Trash to Treasures. We're the home of antiques, weird stuff, and cool junk. We're open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We're located just outside Biltmore Village, near the Biltmore Estate entrance and the Biltmore House. Conveniently located just outside of downtown. We're an antique resale consignment shop offering new, used, and antique home furnishings and decor. Stop by and visit. We have a large selection of new, used, and antique furniture. As you can see, here's a king-size bedroom suite from American Drew. We also have a matching set of sofas that came out of a North Asheville summer home, as well as some end tables and coffee table sets. We also have an amazing buffet set that has been refinished, as well as some artwork and other home furnishings. We have this amazing little dry sink that would make a great conversion into a wine or bar set. We have an amazing dressing cabinet, chest of drawers with a little dressing mirror on it, all kinds of storage areas and drawers, love seats, dining room suites, and entertainment centers. We also have all kinds of little collectibles. We also have a dining room table that seats 10 people with 10 chairs and a matching sideboard. We have several chests of drawers. As you can see here, a antique secretary, a built-in wall unit out of a farmhouse here in the Asheville area, and we also have some other wall units. Stop by Asheville Trash to Treasures and visit with us. We also have an amazing Dutch linen press from the 18th century, as well as new sofas and barnwood furniture. Here's a coffee table, 2 end tables, some wall shelving made out of shiplap siding, and other wall units. We also have an amazing spinet piano style writing desk. Here's a shaving mirror. We also have a pair of amazing suede recliners. And we also still have a amazing 3-piece bedroom suite from the 1880s. This is Victorian style bed, full-size bed, and a dresser and washstand. We also have this amazing glass top kitchenette or dinette patio set that would be great for any sunroom or breakfast in the kitchen area. We're also a neighborhood family U-Haul dealer located at 122 Sweeten Creek Road. So if you're moving one way or locally in town, give us a call. We'd be honored to help you save money on your next move, whether it's one-way cross country or just around town here in the Asheville area. We'd be glad to help you save money on your next household move. We offer free moving advice and money-saving move tips. Give us a call. We'd certainly appreciate your business at U-Haul as well. No matter what part of the world you're from, Asheville welcomes you. Visit, vacation, or move to Asheville. We're located in the Appalachian Mountains of western North Carolina, and we'd love to have you visit.